It's going to be a tutorial video, so ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your Gmail, right? Let's say if you want to send an email to your friend, to your family, to a worker, right? To an employee, what you're going to do right now. This video is basically for educational purpose. Please. So click on this compose, right? Right now, at first, you're going to enter the email of the person, right? You want to send the MS Word file to, right? You enter his Gmail. Let's say, I can just say adamsmith@gmail.com, right? Let me just use this as an example. adamsmith@gmail.com, right? So this is basically an example, right? Subject. I can just type in, submission of, let me say, submission of tax, right? So yeah, let me say if you have typed in the tax you love to submit, right, via an MS Word file or a document, right, just click on this. This is the attach files option. You can just come on here. I want to select this, right? Click on it. I'm gonna wait for it to open, right? I think 8 kilobyte or so. So yeah, this is it. So this is who I'm gonna send this email to. This is the title of the letter of the text, right? And I think this is the inbox, right? So this is where you're gonna type in whenever you wanna type in. Once you're done, just click on this send, and they're gonna send it right away. This is basically how you can send MS Word file in Gmail or email. If you find this tutorial helpful, let me know below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you in the very next video.